Welcome to Perpustakaan Laman Hikmah, the heart of knowledge at UTeM. Our library has always been a vital resource for students, lecturers and staff. But let's face it, finding resources quickly and navigating services can sometimes be a challenge. And for non-native speakers, language barriers can make things even tougher. That's why we're taking things to the next level. Imagine a smarter library experience. A chatbot that answers your questions instantly, OCR technology that helps you locate books in seconds, and multilingual support to make the library accessible to everyone, no matter where you're from. Welcome to our smart chatbot experience. The moment you visit our page, you'll see our chatbot button ready to assist you. Click and meet Lisa, who greets you with a warm welcome and gives you two simple options to explore. Lisa is bilingual, trained to understand both Malay and English. Choose your preferred language to dive into FAQs. For this demo, let's go with English, where Lisa asks what kind of information you're looking for: general information, research, or reference. If you choose general information, you'll see subcategories, or you can simply type your question. Click on Operating Hours and Lisa instantly provides the details, with links to our website if needed. Prefer typing? Just ask about Wi-Fi and Lisa will provide the relevant info right away. Switch to Malay, type Pinjam Buku, borrow books, and Lisa responds with FAQs in Malay. Lisa is designed with a smart fallback policy, offering assistance even if your question is outside its scope. If you ever want to start over, simply type Hi, and Lisa takes you back to the main menu. Lisa handles both English and Malay FAQs effortlessly and is constantly improving by collecting user feedback to enhance its performance in the future. Experience Lisa today, your friendly chatbot for quick, accurate answers. Next, let me introduce you to another exciting innovation, the OCR book title searching system. This system revolutionizes library management by using cutting-edge optical character recognition technology. Users can upload an image, like a book cover, and watch as the system extracts text, processes it, and matches it to book records in the Perpustakaan Laman Hikmah database. Instantly get details like book title, author, ISBN, and call number. This innovation simplifies the search process and takes convenience to the next level. Lastly, we're proud to unveil the final module of our project, the Translate module. With this feature, the entire library website transforms into your preferred language, whether it's Chinese, Arabic, German, French, Malay, or Spanish. Every page adjusts seamlessly, creating an inclusive experience for users worldwide. Powered by a free API, this module ensures accessibility for everyone, everywhere. These innovations, Lisa, the chatbot, the OCR system, and the Translate module, are transforming Perpustakaan Laman Hikmah into a smarter, more inclusive, and user-friendly hub. Thank you for joining us on this journey, and we can't wait for you to experience it all. Together, let's embrace the future of learning.